Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix that the photo mode is missing on your TikTok account very easily. So the first thing you need to do is open up the settings and just check if your operation system is up to date. So if you need any software update, if you need a software update, I recommend you updating your operation system, and then just check if the photo mode is there on your TikTok account. If it is not there, then open up the App Store or the Play Store, search for TikTok and check if you can update the app. But if you can't update, just like now, because there's an open button instead of an update button. So then just open TikTok, go to your profile, and then go all the way to the right upper corner and tap on settings and privacy, as you see right now. Then scroll a bit down until you see support and about, and tap on report a problem. And here you see a lot of things, but don't get overwhelmed. You just need to go to topics, and then you see account and profile. Tap on that. And again, you see a lot of things, but you need to open the editing profile topic, and then tap on other. And again, you see a lot of text, but tap on need more help in the bottom of your screen. And here you can give feedback to TikTok. So you just need to type your situation. So for example, you can type something like this. You can even add screenshots up to 4, or even a video if you want to. But just type something like this, that the photo mode is missing on your account. You've tried everything, and ask if the TikTok team can help you. So if you think this is great, just tap on submit on that red pinkish color. And the TikTok team will check your problem. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.